Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of natural wood pergola designs ideas and best wood pergola decor that will make your home look amazing. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola is a beautiful and versatile outdoor structure that can add shade, style, and functionality to your home. Wood pergolas are a popular choice for many homeowners because they are durable, easy to maintain, and can be customized to fit any style. In this video, we will discuss the different types of wood that are best for pergolas, the pros and cons of building a wood pergola, and some of the best ways to decorate it. We will also provide a list of 10 of the best wood pergola designs ideas. What is a wood pergola? A wood pergola is a structure that is made up of vertical posts and horizontal beams that are supported by cross braces. The beams are typically spaced close together to create a lattice-like framework. Pergola can be freestanding or attached to a wall. Wood pergolas are often used to provide shade for outdoor seating areas, dining areas, and walkways. They can also be used to support climbing plants such as vines and roses. What kind of wood is best for pergola? The best wood for a pergola depends on a number of factors, including the climate, the desired style, and the budget. Some of the most popular woods for pergolas include 1. Cedar. Cedar is a durable and rot-resistant wood that is well suited for outdoor use. It is also naturally insect-resistant. 2. Redwood. Redwood is another durable and rot-resistant wood that is ideal for pergolas. It is also known for its beautiful reddish-brown color. 3. Douglas fir. Douglas fir is a strong and lightweight wood that is easy to work with. It is also relatively affordable. 4. Pine. Pine is a softwood that is not as durable as cedar or redwood, but it is less expensive. Is it cheaper to build a wood pergola or an iron pergola? The cost of building a pergola depends on a number of factors, including the size, the type of wood, and the complexity of the design. In general, wood pergolas are less expensive than iron pergolas. However, iron pergolas are more durable and require less maintenance. What are the advantages of building a wood pergola? There are many advantages to building a wood pergola. Here are a few of the most important ones. 1. Durability. Wood pergolas are very durable and can withstand the elements for many years. 2. Customization. Wood pergolas can be customized to fit any style or need. 3. Affordability. Wood pergolas are typically less expensive than other types of pergolas. 4. Maintenance. Wood pergolas require less maintenance than other types of pergolas. How to decorate a wood pergola? There are many ways to decorate a wood pergola. Here are a few ideas. 1. Plant climbing vines. Climbing vines, such as vines and roses, can add beauty and shade to a pergola. 2. Hang lights. Hanging lights can create a romantic and inviting atmosphere under a pergola. 3. Add furniture. Comfortable furniture, such as chairs and tables, can make a pergola a great place to relax and entertain. 4. Install a sound system. A sound system can make it easy to enjoy music and entertainment under a pergola. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best wood pergola designs ideas. 1. A simple and elegant pergola with a classic lattice design. 2. A more rustic pergola with exposed beams and a natural wood finish. 3. A pergola with a retractable roof that can be opened or closed to let in the sun or rain. 4. A pergola with built-in planters for growing flowers and vines. 5. A pergola that doubles as an outdoor dining area. 6. A pergola that is integrated into a garden design. 7. A pergola that is covered in vines for a lush and romantic look. 8. A pergola with a modern design that makes a statement. 9. A pergola that is decorated with lights for a magical nighttime atmosphere. 10. A pergola that is built over a walkway to create a shady and inviting entrance. A wood pergola is a beautiful and versatile addition to any home. With so many design options available, you can find the perfect pergola to fit your style and needs. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of natural wood pergola designs ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.